This is Monica Bielka-Viscovi. Today I'm in McLaren Vale in Australia in a Wirrawira property, and right by the vineyard you can see the eucalyptus trees. They are bringing the aroma character that we often associated with Australian wines, and there are studies that we learn over a period of time we're here that are showing that the length of the trees from the vineyards, the distance from the vineyard is actually very important. The farther the trees are from the vineyard, the less of that eucalypt aroma can be found in the wine, and the closer they are, like you see they're very close, right across the street, the more of the eucalypt aromas you will find. So if you're blind tasting, this is a great way to recognize some of the Australian wines by that note, subtle note of eucalypt. Cheers from Australia.